Drumbrea is a 431 hectare site, and about half of it will be tree planting, and the remaining areas are protected open habitats where we might have some conservation grazing, and they'll also include some archaeology spaces, geology and the viewpoints. But the tree planting itself is about 60% of that will be native broadleaves. Species such as downy birch, elm, aspen that are not here just now, we'll be restoring them to the site. In addition to that, there'll be about 30% of the site is Scots pine and 6% will be non-native conifers. And the reason for having those non-native conifers is to add resilience to the plan for the future. And also, one of the objectives for this site is carbon capture for the climate crisis, and those conifers grow really quickly and they'll capture that carbon while still allowing us to have lots of native woodland habitat on the site. Those conifers are also actually useful for species such as red squirrel. They're alternative food sources in the years when Scots pine isn't coning. So overall, it's a complete mixture of objectives and mixture of habitats and tree types on the site.